In this video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer folder from MacBook to external hard drive. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you have a folder on your MacBook and you would like to transfer it to an external hard drive, you will be able to get this done easily with the same steps that I show you in this video, regardless of the brand of external hard drive that you have, or regardless of the MacBook model, this process will work. So, most external hard drives are designed to be used with PCs or laptops. Because of this, they will have a USB connection. So go ahead and connect your external hard drive to your MacBook. Alternatively, if it doesn't have the standard USB-A connection, then check for other options like USB-C. Make sure that you connect the external hard drive, and once it is properly connected, you will be able to transfer a folder or any files. So open the specific folder where you have the files that you are going to transfer, or you can simply drag and drop the specific folder. What I recommend is that you highlight everything that you want to transfer, and in another window, you open the external hard drive's storage. So it is going to appear right here under Devices, and you can choose to open it in a new window. Now, if you have highlighted all of the files that you want to transfer, just drag and drop them inside of the hard drive, and they will be properly copied. You can also right-click on all of these files, and after right-clicking, you will find the copy options. Once you choose copy, you can go over here, right-click on the external hard drive, and then choose the option to paste. So either drag and drop, or right-click, copy, and then paste. This will work for full folders as well. So if you would like to transfer the folder altogether, you can do the exact same steps that I described. So either drag and drop the folder, or right-click the folder, then copy, and then right-click on the drive, and then paste. I hope I was able to help you on how to transfer folder from MacBook to external hard drive. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.